Cut a skirt piece with center front on the fold. Give yourself a notch for center front. Also cut a piece of millinery grosgrain 14 inches long. Millinery grosgrain has a bumpy edge and can be shaped with steam. Regular grosgrain is flat and not malleable. Here's the skirt shape with the darts closed. The shaping guide is the skirt pattern with the darts closed. Mark the center of the grosgrain and use the shaping guide to press it into shape. Thread mark the waist of the skirt, including the notch at center front. Thread mark the center of your ribbon. Starting in the center, pin the inside edge of the seam allowance to the waistline of the skirt. The outside edge will be ruffly and loose. Stitch, trim, clip almost to the line, and press. Then tack the outside edge of the grosgrain at each of the darts.